You're getting the mail.
Here we go.
Straighten it out.
Good face, buddy. Alright, let's see what we have today. Let's see what we have. Whoa! Can you get that and put it in the wagon, sweetheart? Thank you. We have here. Thank you. A few more. Good. Great work. Time to back it up and go home. Home.
Good work. Mail.
This is my favorite part.
He books it down the hall.
Takes off. All right, buddy. Oh.
Fall.
Taking the mail home. Can't go in there. Oh.
Okay, I'm ending the video.
A little curveball.